To tackle the challenges of electric vehicle infrastructure procurement, a structured life cycle is essential. It starts with a thorough needs assessment and market engagement, creating a clear understanding of local charging demands. This is where tools like the Cenex Nevis platform come into play, providing critical data to inform our decisions. Next, it is important to develop a robust business case that justifies investment and sets clear objectives. This is followed by meticulous specification and tender preparation, aiming to create detailed requirements which will attract quality bids. Once the tender is published, the evaluation process must be transparent and objective, weighing factors like price and social value. It is important to plan effective key performance indicators to help drive performance throughout the contract. After selecting a preferred supplier, contracts are finalized and the supplier is mobilized, allowing them to go ahead with installing and operating the EVI. Finally, as the EVI is put to use, ongoing monitoring is vital to ensure the equipment meets the performance standards and adapts to emerging needs. By prioritizing stakeholder engagement and focusing on outcomes, we can navigate the complexities of EVI procurement, paving the way for a sustainable transport future.